After running a standard or custom report in QuickBooks Online, you can email it, print it, or export it. To print or save a report as a PDF in QuickBooks Online, either click the Print button or click the Export button and then select the Export to PDF command using the button choices immediately above the report's header to open a Print or Save as PDF window. In this window, select the page orientation from the Orientation drop-down at the left side of the window. To either apply smart page breaks or try to fit all columns on one page, select the desired choice from the Scaling drop-down. To repeat the report header on each page, check the Show Report Headers on All Pages checkbox. A PDF preview of the report appears to the right. To print the report, click the Print button in the toolbar at the top of the PDF preview, or right-click the PDF preview and then select the Print command from the pop-up menu that appears. Doing either action then opens your web browser's Print dialog box, which you then use to select your print settings and print the report. Alternatively, to save the report as a PDF, click the Save as PDF button in the lower right corner of the Print or Save as PDF window to download the file as a PDF to your computer. To email a report as an Excel, CSV, or PDF attachment in QuickBooks Online, click the Email button in the button choices immediately above the report's header to open a Send Report Name window. In this window, enter the recipient's email address into the To field. Enter any courtesy copy recipient email addresses into the CC field. A generic subject, message, and report name appear in the subject, message, and file name fields. You can edit these as desired to customize the email's content. To select the report's email attachment file format, select the desired option button for the format setting. Then, click the Send Email button to send the email, or click the Cancel button to cancel it. To download a report to your computer as an Excel or CSV file in QuickBooks Online, click the Export button in the button choices immediately above the report's header. To then immediately download the file as an Excel workbook, select the Export to Excel command. Alternatively, to immediately download it as a CSV file, instead select the Export as CSV command. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.